So right now we're going to create the ball line first, and it's going to be a little bit above the ear. So now we're going to use the Andis close shaver just to get it a lot smoother. So now I'm going to open the clipper all the way, and it's going to be just open. So I'm going to flick that right quick. I just create the first guideline. As you can see, clipper all the way open. I'm going to create the first guideline, as you can see. So now I'm going to bring my Andis T-Outliner, and I'm going to continue flicking the first guideline out, as you can see. So just flick the Andis T-Outliner gently. So now I'm going to take the 1.5 guard. I'm going to go up another layer right quick. So I'm going to take the 1.5 guard, and I'm going to go up another layer. So after the 1.5, we're going to put the number 2 guide on, and we're going to run the number 2 all over the hair. So that's our desired length, as you can see. I'm going to go front to back. So I'm going to run the number 2 all over the hair. So now we're going to bring the number 1, and we're going to flick that dark line out, as you can see, just around the area where we used the 1.5. So we're going to use the number 1 guard. I'm going to flick that desired area out right there, as you can see. This guard is our game changer. So now we're going to put the 1.5 guide back on, and we're going to touch up any areas we missed, and we're going to make the transition a bit smoother. So right now I'm holding the clipper open, and I'm just going to touch up any areas I missed, as you can see. And I'm going to go back with the number 1, just touching up any areas I would have missed. Want to make the blend as smooth as possible, so I'm just touching up areas that I missed that I think I can make a bit cleaner. So right now we're going to do the lineup, and this is one of the most important parts, and we're going to keep it as natural as possible. So right now we're going to be using the Elegant Shave Gel on the client when we use the straight razor to make the process a bit easier when you're using the straight razor.